Hi everyone. So I hope everybody have a wonderful time in celebrating the Christmas season and yeah, sharing with family and of course the foods as well. Yeah, mag-share lang ko about sa akong while I'm walking karon na minaw ko og podcast and is one person nga nag-invest siya year 2011 sa stock market o 1,000 and then 13 years later, I mean 2024, ang iyang kwarta nahimong 380,000. So that's in dollar. So dako na convert mo sa peso. However, ang imong ikuan mo ana, that's the power of compounding interest in investing. Mo na siya ay kanindot og invest ka unya imong nindot ang performance sa imong gi-invest nimo sa stock market. Do dili guaranteed ang naa-investing, however, you have to take account nga iyang i-invest is only 1,000. So dako gyapon siya bisan pag mo abot og 10,000 iyang kwarta, dako gyapon na-gain iyang kwarta for 13 years. Mo na the power of investing. That's why we always suggest while you are young, look for an vehicle, either life insurance company na kay karon life insurance na investing aspect ana or napug kay asa nimo ibutang imong kwarta nga mo gain niya napo na rule of 72 nga every 7 years mo convert og 10% ang imong kwarta. So yeah, if you're interested on looking something like that, you can talk to a financial advisor near you. And thanks. Bye.